Well, here we are, out and about, early morning-ish on a Saturday morning at a little place called Somersby Falls. Now, we used to come here a lot back in the day, but they've obviously spent some money and done the place up since we were last here, which for me was probably 20 years ago. Anyway, I've got the drone with me, so we're going to try and just do some vlogging like we're doing now and show you guys a little bit of this place, get some drone shots and then go back and edit it all up in DaVinci Resolve, which I am still trying to learn. But anyway, stay tuned, see how we go. Okay, so we've hit a bit of a snag. Apparently they're doing some construction here and we're a bit dirty because it's 30 years since we've actually been here, and then the one fucking day that we come, the thing's bloody shut. So this is going to be a rather short video, but I'll do my best, maybe with some fancy special effects and a little bit of, I don't know, pixie dust, make something decent out of it. But anyway, that's it for now, guys.